Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the AirDNA Rentalizer. Okay, so I was looking for properties on Zillow in Poachtown, Pennsylvania, and I found some properties of interest. For example, this one right here, listed $240,000. They have a price cut happening right now, and it's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. So all you want to do is take the address, copy this address, okay? Go to AirDNA and paste it right here, and you will see this address shows up as the revenue calculator rentalizer. So if I click on this, right, it should show me the projected revenue for this property based on the area for a similar property type. So this is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, can house 6 guests, right? $25,000, about $26,000 projected revenue, 44% occupancy rate, and on average, the daily rate is $162. And if I scroll down, I'll also see the financial calculator. So I will see right here, if I am going to list this as a short-term rental property, the operating expenses will be about $13,000, and net operating income I'll remain with about $13,000, and the cap rate would be 5.16% based on the purchase price of $250,000. And since there's a 5% cut, I can change this to $240,000. And as you can see, the cap rate has also increased. And it's really that easy and simple, guys.